Welcome back to Rocco Rides Tesla. In today's video, I'm going to be going over and showing y'all how much cargo and trunk space is in a Tesla Model Y. This is a 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, and let's go through and see how much space is in here. Now, I'm not going to fully load it, but just going to put a few pieces in luggage for reference, just to demonstrate how much this car can hold. And it has some good storage space for its size. So here, this is the trunk with the back seats up. You have all this floor space here, but also here's the neat part. Underneath this is a sub trunk. Now I put a piece of luggage in here just to show y'all. This is a Patagonia kind of large duffel bag. I use it for skiing to put hold all my ski gear in, but just wanted to show y'all how much you can fit in this. And this is really helpful if you're packing a lot or for privacy reasons. Let me take this out just to show you all the size of it. Put this back down. Sit it on the ground. It's a little challenging to do with just one hand. So here's the size of this bag. It's a pretty good size. You can fit a lot in that, and that fit in the sub trunk. And then that would still leave all this open cargo space in the back. So you have this. Then you also, some people who own Teslas don't even know about this one. There's a forward sub trunk right here. Now this isn't as deep as the one in the back. I have a sunshade and some other storage here in here. So this is not as easily accessible. This would be kind of more for long-term storage of some items that you'd like to keep in the vehicle. I could even put my Tesla mobile connector up here. Maybe I'll just do that. There's my Tesla mobile connector. Always keep that in your car when you are traveling. So put that down. Here's my floor mat for the trunk. I just took that out for this video. You also have two deep wells right here to put items in, and a little cigarette outlet back here to plug devices in. You have another one over here that I have some cleaning supplies that I keep. And this is with the back seats up. So if I put the middle and the left one down, this is typically how we travel, because Rocco will sit in this back seat, this back right seat. So with this down, I mean, we'll have two very large roller hard shell suitcases. Let's put some other items in the car just so y'all to see. Let me go grab those real quick. So in the trunk right now, I have that Patagonia duffel bag, a backpack, and a cooler. There's nothing in the sub trunk right now. I still have all this space, which, let me open the garage door real quick. Still have all this space with the back seat down. Then now I'll put the other back seat down. If it's just you and one other person traveling, you'll have a ton of space. So these are all automatic. So look at all that trunk space now with the back seats folded down. I could keep both back seats up and still have plenty of cargo space. Let me put both of them up for y'all to see. Love having the automatic folding seats. I can control that from the Tesla app as well, or in the front of the vehicle. So here is all the storage space with this. And then there's also the Frunk. So let me get up there and show you all that. So here is the Frunk with I just put my backpack in it for y'all to see. This is not climate controlled though, so be careful what you put up here. If it needs to be, if you don't want to get it getting too hot or cold, just be mindful of that. I could probably put a couple bags up here, a couple small bags, small suitcases, some other travel supplies, but it is waterproof. This is vacuum seals it from water. And here is the Frunk. So for the size of the vehicle, you can really fit a lot of stuff in here. We have gone on several road trips for a couple weeks and have not been too crammed with our cargo. So I hope you all find this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, or how you all like to pack up your Teslas. And until I talk to you all next time, be safe.